Hi, I'm Karin from Karin Yoga Life, and I've developed a yoga toolkit for stress relief because I know as a yoga teacher that yoga can be awesome at helping you to relieve stress and tension from your body. So I wanted to just tell you 3 ways that yoga really helps people to manage their stress. First of all, the physical postures of yoga help to relieve stress, anxiety, and tension from the body. So, as with any form of exercise, will help you to relieve stress. The second thing is that yoga helps you to relax your mind. With its emphasis on deep breathing or a meditation practice, yoga helps you to just relax your mind, not focus on your thoughts, but just allow your mind to relax, to release any stress and anxiety. Lastly, yoga helps you to release negative emotions from the body. So, being still, focusing on the breath, meditation allows any negative emotions to come to the surface and be released. Oh, lastly, yoga, of course, helps you to develop your mind body connection, to be aware of how the body affects the mind and the mind affects the body, which in turn will help you to manage your stress and anxiety. So, those are actually 4 ways that yoga helps you to release stress and anxiety. So, I hope you'll check out my yoga toolkit for stress relief and let me know if it works for you. Thanks.